Hi friends, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. So today we have come with a project self-driving car. The main motto of the car is to make an autonomous drive. Uh, so for the project we have used ESP32 cam which gives the video feed and the car drives autonomously based on the inputs like the signs and all. So we for the videos feed we have used the laptop. You can see the video here, and we have used ESP32 for completely controlling of the car and Bluetooth module for controlling it manually using the remote. And we have used ultrasonic sensor which gives obstacle avoidance. So let's go to the working of the project. So before that we have connected laptop and ESP32 cam to the same network, and let's go to the working. So we are initially showing a phone with a 50 speed and checking whether the car drives at a 50 speed. So the car got stopped because of ultrasonic sensors. So let's give another sign to the car and check whether it working to that sign properly. Now I am giving 80 and checking whether it can go over 80 speed. Yes. So let's go with the school zone signs, left and right signs, and check. Now we are keeping a right sign and checking the car to move at right. So now we check it the car to move at left. So I am changing it the sign to left. Now I am placing a school zone area and checking. You can see the speed is very limited in a school zone area.